Yo, I think I started World War III because my dog's in there. But if you go in the room, you can see that there's another cat, Morticia, and another cat, Oscar. Say hi. Hi. She got freaking slobber from the dog. Hi, Oscar. These goofy cats are... Dude, why are this? Oh. Jeez, chill out. Come on. You're okay. You're okay. So they were just fighting like crazy earlier. It's so funny. Buddy. She doesn't like me right now, but they're literally all in the same room. That's the gross cat, that's the other gross cat, and this is the gross dog. Dude, these cats are crazy. And this dog, bro. And me, bro. I locked them in the room, bro. Yo, buddy. Morticia! Buddy, over here, come on. Come on, bud. Buddy, over here. Come on. Come on, bud. Buddy. Buddy, stop. Buddy, over here. Come here, bud. Buddy. Come here. Come here, bud. Apparently, I can upload shorts to 3 minutes now, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, these guys were just having war earlier. Yo, come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go over here. Come on. Bye. Oh my god. Crazy. Okay. Yo, also, if you guys think this trend, bop it, twist it, pull it, bop it, twist it, that's just playing with your dog, bro. Look, I can even do it with my cat. Pop it, twist it, pull it, pew. Buddy, stop it, you gross dog. So yeah, what do? I let them all out? Let's see what happens. Let's see. Morticia! Oh, come on. Bruh.